This isn't just another wellness gadget. BrainTap is a game changer, a transformative experience designed to elevate your mental, emotional, and even physical well-being. Our brains naturally shift through different wave states, from deep sleep delta to high focus gamma, depending on what we're doing, but modern life throws us off balance, and stress, overstimulation, or poor sleep can push our brains into the wrong state, leaving us tired, foggy, or unfocused. BrainTap helps resynchronize your brain waves to their optimal state using a combination of refined binaural beats, isochronic tones, and light therapy. This process, called near entrainment, gently guides your brain into the rhythm it needs, whether it's for deep sleep, meditation, or sharp focus. When you're highly alert, your brain is in gamma. When you're focused, it's in beta. Relaxing moves you into alpha, meditation into theta, and deep restoration happens in delta, and BrainTap helps you move naturally between these states. Using a specialized headset, BrainTap delivers synchronized audio sessions and gentle light pulses through the ears and eyes, activating neural pathways and supporting neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to heal, adapt, and grow. Whether you're a busy professional, an athlete, a student, or simply someone seeking clarity and balance, BrainTap is for you. Just 20 minutes a day can lead to better sleep, sharper focus, reduced anxiety, and more energy. This is more than relaxation. It's a reset button for your brain. Discover BrainTap at AgeRejuvenation and unlock the full potential of your mind.